See what happens, boys, when you don't listen to your wife the first time. It takes you 3 tries to get it right. I would suggest do it right the first time. There you go.
Hey guys, Mike and Laura.
Morning.
Match made in heaven. Laura said I can do all the introductions today, but it's another beautiful Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel. Consider turning on notifications and give us some comments. Like our videos if you like them, but we need your feedback. We enjoy posting our adventures on YouTube. I hope you do also. We appreciate you watching. But another beautiful Saturday, like I said, and we are finishing up, hopefully today, the majority of the She Shed version 3 chicken coop. I'm calling it version 3. I think this is our 3rd coop. We bought our first one. We built the second one, and out of some pallets. And then this 3rd one, we've upped our game to Laura's requirements, and I'm hoping she's happy. But today we're doing the run. So our goal, Laura, is 8 by 10 run. We're thinking 7 foot high on one side, 6 on the other, with some sloped roofing, metal roofing. That's about it at a high level. So what we'll do is we'll show you some of our parts, our game plan, our inventory that we purchased from Lowe's, and we'll snap a video as we advance through the phases of the install today.
See what happens, boys, when you don't listen to your wife the first time. It takes you 3 tries to get it right. I would suggest do it right the first time. You save a whole lot of money in the end.
Save a whole lot of money, and you've got a happier match made in heaven.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you learn from our adventures, and give us some feedback. Have a great day.
See ya.
Made a trip to Lowe's last night. One thing we did different this time was we did the order online and just did a pickup. Saved us time. But with COVID-19 over the last 2 months, treated lumber is in high demand. People are purchasing that. So what we ended up with, you can see, is we had an order of 2x4x8s, 2x4x10s, 2x4x12s, and guess what? Those were gone. So luckily they received a shipment in, and we were able to get 2x4x16s. So we'll be making all of our cuts today for our requirements. And then the untreated 2x3s that you see there, those will be used for the roof. So those will be protected under the metal roof, and we did not need treated there. And then the blocks here, the 16-inch blocks, that will be our footer or our foundation for the run. And then lastly, these are our metal. Laura wanted hard cloth, wire cloth, so this is what we'll be using. So we'll show you as we get to installing. And then this is our space. So there's the she shed, and the goal would be a hole here on the side. That longer term we're hoping to automate with opening and closing, but we'll do manual opening closing initially with a rope. And then we're going to put the run here and connect it in this area. And the goal is to have that here. So appreciate someone. We had some of our firewood stacked up here, and we had a neighbor offered it to him, and he came and picked up all the wood yesterday. So for the pre-work here of preparing the area, we don't have to move that today. I'm so happy we don't have to move the wood. All right, Laura, are you happy with your foundation?
I'm very happy.
All right, guys, you can see on the front we use some 16-inch solid blocks. It's higher on the front. So we doubled those guys up, dug out. And then on the front, we're going to have a door there. And on the back, we use regular foundational blocks for a home. The ones on the back are a little wider. I haven't measured them. And then those ones on the front are a little smaller than the ones on the back. So we've got a solid foundation. We've got a level foundation. So now we're going to build some walls. Your first wall is ready to go.
Just gotta nail it.
12-foot length.
Yes.
6 foot 6 inch height.
Right.
So we're ready to nail it. We've marked there. We're going 2 feet. And the reason we're going every 2 feet for our studs is because of our hardwire cloth. Our hardwire cloth is 2 feet. Guys, this stuff was hard to find. COVID-19, we went Tractor Supply, we went Lowe's, we went Home Depot,
Amazon.
Every place, and this is all we could get. I guess in a decent time frame. We didn't want to wait a month.
Yeah.
And so that's why we're going. It's going to cost us a little bit more on labor. Labor and wood, but we'll have 2 feet, and we're going to go up vertically. Is our goal, and then we'll be able to have overhang because it's 10 foot, and like I said, our wall is just going to be approximately 6'8" or so with your top caps and bottom cap, and then we will have protection on the ground for critters, and we'll cover that up. So let's see how it works out. 2x10 hardwire cloth install, so we're doing it laying down. It's easier to do it laying down than standing up. So Laura wanted to use larger U-nails, and we may put some of those on for added strength, but this staple, an electric staple, is working much faster. We're coming behind it and nailing them down, but we're not even doing an overlap because our studs are 2 feet apart and they're on center. So all we're having to do is line them up to each other, and what's worked out so far, I've done 3, is just one staple all the way down, and it's catching both of them. So I'll show you real quick here. Get the top lined up, and then we'll throw some staples in. Being not stingy on staples, and I'm getting in a hurry here and it's not working, or
It's jammed.
it's jammed. Hold on. Alright, so apologize for the air compressor. Alright, so now what's pretty cool is I can walk down here. We're using our utility trailer as our workbench, and then I can hit both sides and pull as I'm going down, and then follow back up with a nail. So far so good. Working good, Thor. All right, guys. Success on wall number 1. Installed wire mat, hardwire plier. I'm out of breath, guys. I'm sorry. Hardware cloth installed while we had it laying down. 2 foot centers. 2 foot by 10 foot hardwire cloth. So what we're going to do is that overhang, we're going to lay that down on the ground and then cover that with dirt, and that'll be protection from trying to dig under those blocks. Critters, excuse me, love to do that. So one more wall to build on the other side. Connect those two guys up, and 6-foot wall here, and the door is going to be there. So 6 foot 6 inches on this side. We're thinking about a 6-inch slope. It's just going to be a straight slope down onto the other side, and we'll be using that metal roofing that we've got over there. So looking good.